He's showing me how much I relish throwing all this baggage and interpretation on top of these desires. And this one in particular, I've been looking at for a while in various ways that Jesus has been posing it specifically. And the only way out, he's showing me, is to let go of all of this story about, okay, if I accept a miracle on this, I have to do this, this, and this. I have to take action. And time and again, I keep trying to play that same old game. If I accept a miracle, this is what it means. And he's just showing me over and over again. Sometimes it seems like in tiny glimpses, like poof, I get it in the moment. And then that's not what it's about. It's not what it's about at all. And that in the moment, he offers everything in that moment, that split moment when I'm just like, okay, I really want to see this differently. I don't want all the baggage to it. I just want to be free of all of that. So I'm asking him to continue to show me that it doesn't mean what I think it does, and let go of all of that interpretation and just allow him to show me in love and joy.